safe days, and fertile days for a 26 days menstrual cycle. Calculating safe days starts with knowing how many days your menstrual cycle take. How to track your periods and menstrual cycle. Mark the first day of your period on a calendar with AP. This is day 1. Continue to mark each day you're bleeding with AP. Stop marking when your bleeding stops. These will be the number of days you spend bleeding. The normal bleeding days are between 3 to 7 days. When bleeding starts again, mark it with AP. This is day 1 again of the next period. You can then count the number of days between each first P to get the length of your cycle. Count the number of PS to see how many days bleeding lasts. Assuming your menstrual cycle takes 26 days. Assuming you started bleeding on 1st October, and your menstrual cycle takes 26 days. To know your ovulation day, we subtract 14 days from 26 days, meaning that 12th day of the month is your ovulation day. You should know that the male products take days in the female body waiting for female egg in order to fertilize it. Therefore, subtract 5 days before and 5 days after the 12th day of the months. So all these days are not safe, meaning you can easily conceive and you become pregnant. The other remaining days of the month that are not marked with X are safe days, so you cannot become pregnant. So it's okay, you can enjoy yourself maximum without any problem. So have fun.